Here's how to check your Costco warehouse purchase history online. First, you want to launch open any web browser. Now go to Costco.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account option at the top of your screen. From the menu that appears, select the option of orders and purchases. By default, the page will display your online orders. To see items bought at a physical store location, you want to tap on the warehouse option. Now use the drop-down time frame menu to filter your shopping trip history. The system will display a chronological list of every warehouse trip showing the date, exact store location, and transaction total. Locate the specific shopping trip you want to review and tap on the View Receipt option. An itemized digital duplicate of your registered receipt will open on the screen. If you need a copy for taxes or business records, you can click the Print or Download button to save it as a PDF. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.